Everyone's gonna be so impressed. The teacher speaks and you listen in. They're talking about work and discipline, and I know that you're up to the task. It's a new year and a brand new class. Old school, new school, change is on the way. You're gonna move up and do your stuff till graduation day. Old school, new school, it's a different year. So much to know before you go and start in your career. To the